In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can cut and trim parts of your videos on CapCut. It's simple and easy. All you need to do is upload your video on CapCut like this. So now you just add the video to your track here. So as you've added the video here, you can use this one to, make it more larger so you can, cut it well. So on here, just put your cursor to the place you want to cut. So let's say I want to cut from this side. What I need to do is choose the split. So we have two different ways of doing it. Either you press Ctrl+B to split. Let me move the cursor. You can see there is a mark there. And then I want to split this side too as well. So another Ctrl+B to split it. You can see. So I have there two places splitted. So I can select it and I can choose to delete it, and I delete it. Let me revert my action here. Now let me show you guys a different way. So let's say I want to cut this part. And you can see this is split, or Ctrl+B, just like I said. So I split here, I move to this side, and I also move to this side again and I split. And you can see now I have this and this being splitted, and I have this section that I can remove. I cut and it's been removed away. So that's it on how you can cut and trim parts of your video on CapCut. Simple and easy. Let me revert my action. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Peace.